Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undead in Hearthstone Battlegrounds. To begin, focus on building a strong early board. Look for minions like Risen Rider or other Undead that generate or consume corpses. These early units are crucial for establishing tempo and setting up your mid-game. Efficiently using your hero power can also give you a significant advantage in the first few turns, helping you win early combats and preserve your health total. As you progress into the mid-game, your goal is to scale your undead minions effectively. Look for units that grant permanent stat buffs, like Eternal Night, which grows with each reborn minion. Synergies involving reborn are incredibly powerful for undead, allowing your board to grow significantly over several turns. Reaching Tavern Tier 3 and 4 quickly will unlock many of these essential scaling pieces, setting you up for a dominant late game. In the late game, your undead board should be a formidable force. Aim for high health and attack values across your minions, often achieved through consistent scaling. Combining powerful undead with strong death rattle effects, especially those that summon more undead, creates overwhelming boards. Strategic positioning of your reborn minions is crucial to maximize their impact. Tripling key undead units can also provide powerful discover options, securing your path to victory. To consistently win with undead, remember to adapt your strategy based on the minions offered and your opponent's boards. Prioritize survivability in the early game to ensure you reach your powerful mid and late game scaling. Don't hesitate to sell weaker minions to make space for stronger, synergistic units. Understanding which tavern tiers offer your key undead units will significantly improve your chances of building a dominant board and securing victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.